When working with multiple parts, a part can be selected and isolated. This part will be shelled by creating an interior wall thickness. Select the part, then select the top faces to remove. The top two faces have been removed from the shelling function and the interior of the model is displayed. Independent surfaces will be created of this part. This allows each facet to be manipulated separately. Select the Create Surface from Solid option from the Format menu. The interior and exterior facets of the part will be removed. Select the outer facet, then press the keyboard Delete key. Repeat this process for the inner facet.